Hello, friends! We're going on an underwater adventure today.
Down below the deep blue sea, ocean friends swim wild and free. Waves go swish and bubbles rise. Let's meet creatures in disguise. Dolphins dive and twirl around, clicking, jumping, splashy sound. They're so smart and full of cheer, racing fast from far to near. Crabs crawl sideways on the sand, with tiny claws and legs that stand. Clickety-clack, they love to play, hiding in the rocks all day. Turtles paddle nice and slow, with flippers moving to and fro. They ride the waves and love the sun, floating gently, oh what fun. Octopus with legs ×8 wiggles through a coral gate, changing colors pink and green, the coolest thing you've ever seen. Whales blow water high and wide, singing songs with ocean pride. They splash their tails then dive so deep, where glowing fish drift off to sleep. Often swim so free, in the ocean, in the sea.